Thank you, Rajiv.
White color has only one problem. Any color will leave a mark on it. Today on Mrutyunjay's white family image, your color black has left a mark.
There are some marks which go on deepening as you try to erase it. There was a time when I had to pay for my love. But now, they will pay for my hatred. They will pay.
Do you know today, MJ had me hanging from the balcony. Do you know how I felt? My soul had almost bid me goodbye, you see. But you are lucky that you have a friend like me. If I had died...
I promise you, you will have a good funeral.
You're like a puzzle. No one can understand you. No one can predict your next move, not even me. But to hit someone in his own house, that's a great move. I salute you, huh? But since I started to help you, I'm sure about one fact that Maya's magic can be understood by Maya alone. Don't you think the plan to drop him into the ocean is risky? What if the boy dies? Maya, as you had said, the fake news has been printed that Ron Publications has signed you up.
Rishi,
Correct.
let him have it. Give him the address.
Someone else is also searching for you.
Rudra.
His good friend and partner, Ananya. MJ's dog had almost reached you.
There is a lot of difference between almost and actuality. Thank you, Rajiv. Only you have been with me at every step.
No, Maya. I did it for my own profit. Once your hatred is successful, my goal will be reached. You put a spark at Mrutyunjay's house. Now let's wait and watch whether if it burns the whole family or not.
Only one of them will change this game. Antara, MJ, or Rudra.
Hi, baby. I was missing you so much and thinking just about you.
You're lying.
No, really, baby, I was just about to call you.
You're lying. Until now, you were with your mom. Is she okay?
How do you know about mom?
Because I was in the party today. Weren't you supposed to tell about me to your father?
Just wait a minute. You came to the party? No. You're kidding me, right?
Check your phone, Rishi. Now, if you wouldn't talk to me for the whole day, what could I do? So I came over there.
If you were in the party, then why didn't you meet me?
I wanted to surprise you. And before I could meet you, all that happened over there. By the way, When do you plan to talk about us with your dad?
Baby, I was just about to do that. But because of mom, dad was in a lot of stress. I will do it soon, but I promise.
Okay, baby. Now you take rest. You must be tired.
Yes, baby. Bye, babe.
Bye.
What a problem I am in, Rishi. Didn't you want a hot girl? Now you got one?
He's a kid, Maya. He will try to run away.
I haven't given him that permission yet.
So what's the next step?
It is now time to take Rishi away from his family. But unfortunately for you, Rishi, you will not be able to endure.
It would be so cool to die in your hands. Promise me that your face will be the last thing that I'm gonna see. Promise?
I promise.
Hello, sir. Welcome to our gym. Which membership are you interested in?
I'm not interested in membership. I'm only interested in member.
Responsibilities have a huge load. Relying on dad's wealth won't make you realize it. You can't make me meet your family even if you want to. It is because you are your dad's responsibility and not your own. Hence, all your life decisions will be taken by him and not by you.
It's nothing as such, Maya. Dad is cool. And talking about responsibilities, then he's my dad. It's not responsibility. It's love. What's his is mine. And what's mine is his.
What do you have, Rishi? If you want to make me your responsibility, you have to make your own legacy. I want to get married to Rishi Roy and not to some rich spoiled brat whose dad kicks him out of the house whenever he feels like. Unless you don't want to marry me. You want to marry me, isn't it, Rishi?
Yes, of course. I want to marry you.
If you want to get married to Maya, then stop being your dad's responsibility.
Hey, but Maya, I'm still in college.
Until you don't earn some money and give me, I will neither eat anything nor have a drop of water.
Maya, listen to me.
Time to listen to you is over. Do something and show it. If you're able to do it, then come and talk. And if you're not able to do, then forget.
Maya, baby.
In some situations, you have to add fuel to the fire, and in some, you have to put it off.
Maya, what is this? Why are you being so stubborn? Why are you hurting yourself because of me? I promise I will find a job soon. But baby, please eat something, please.
Promise?
Promise.
I knew it that you will never ever lie to me.
What wrong did I do? We are dating with each other. And you say you want to marry me, right? Then I have the right to kiss you, don't I? What is your problem then? Huh? Don't you trust me or what? You feel bad if I touch you. You feel bad if I get close to you. If that's the case, then why do you want to marry me? Maya, I'm talking to you!
You want Maya, right? Come on.
Maya, what are you doing? What have you done, Maya? Maya, move from there!
What happened? You got scared of such a small fire? Do you know? This is how I feel. When someone touches me, this is how I feel inside. I've always seen my faith burn to ashes every time. I don't want to remain this way. I want to change. But only you can change me, Rishi.
Maya, move from there.
Rishi, please. Please, I really want to trust you. Please. Please, Rishi, I'm requesting you, please. I'm just tired of living like this, Rishi. I can't do this anymore, please. Please.
I love you, Maya. I love you. I'll never break your trust in me. I will love you till eternity. I am going to rescue you. I've never seen anyone love so passionately till date. You have that passion inside you. That craziness. That insanity. That spunk. Of limitless love. I love you.